Hi, I'm attorney Jim Desmond. As many of you know, I do car wrecks in Kentucky and Indiana. Many of you have asked for a few more videos answering questions about the law. Unlike some of the past videos, unlike the commercials, I'm just going to go off script, talk to you about what I want to talk to you about, and I'm not going to worry about whether the phone number comes out or anything else. I'm going to let the guy behind the screen put that down below and he can handle it. So some of these videos are going to be a little bit of a rant, but let's try to give you some answers. First one I want to talk to you guys about. A general principle I want you to answer or to understand in car wrecks or personal injury in general, but remember, I only do car wrecks. Quit being intimidated to ask the questions. There is so much bad information out there, I cringe. You all come to me and you'll say, well, my attorney said this, or the adjuster said this, or Johnny down the road said this. I'm sorry, it's crap. It's crap, okay? I'm arrogant as hell when it comes to car wrecks because that's all I do. And you guys get a lot of bad information. And I get it. When you're not represented by an attorney, you call an insurance company, you get the least experienced adjuster, you want to believe what they say. But they don't always give you the right information. So the first step, if you don't think it's right, Google it. Okay, Google it. See if you can find an answer. Maybe come along with a video like this. Maybe you can find my website, attorneydesmond.com. Second thing, let's say you're represented by an attorney. We're not supposed to give you legal advice, okay, if you're represented. But call your attorney. You're paying that same 1/3 fee, 40% fee. Yeah, bigger firms charge 40%. That's also insane, but we'll get to that in another video one day, right? But you're paying that same fee regardless. Tell them you want to meet with them and have them explain it and meet with their attorney, not the case manager, not the paralegal. Meet with the attorney. The whole thing about car wrecks and personal injury in general is communication and communication with your attorney. And if you can't do that, how can we represent you the best way? Our job as a personal injury attorney is to lead you, okay? It's not necessarily, it's not to control you. Our job is to advise you and lead you and say, this is what's best. This is how we get you the treatment you need while getting you paid for, while preserving your rights under the law. And we can't do that if, one, we don't know what's going on. So you need to tell us when it comes to the treatment, what you need, what's working, what's not working. And we need to guide you and say, hey, also, let's do it this way. Let's use the no-fault coverage to pay for that. Or let's use the health insurance. Or you know what, the chiropractic's not working. Let's switch to an MD, whatever it might be. But all that happens through communication. That's where another one of my rants, and I love ranting. You know about this issue, guys. You know this. But about the big firms, what the hell? If you can't reach your attorney, why are you guys dealing with them? It just drives me nuts. I don't understand it. My cell phone's been on the web for 20 years, and that's why my clients have it. Am I perfect about it? No, no one is. But guess what? They can reach me, my clients can reach me on nights and weekends and through text. Because again, that's how we figure out what's going on with the case, what's best for them, and where we go forward with it. So my point to you, I want to keep these videos brief. I don't want to do 20 minutes of ranting, okay? Not even my kids will listen to that. They tune me out too. But my point, don't be intimidated. Don't, be afraid to ask questions. If it's your attorney, Google, whatever it might be. The law is an intimidating process. But again, it's your case. Ask your questions, figure out what you can do, and go from there. My name's attorney Jim Desmond. I only do car wrecks. My cell phone's 502-609-7657. If you don't already have an attorney and you've been in a car wreck, and even if it's just a property damage question, give me a call. Take 5-10 minutes, and we'll get you on track. Thanks. You guys have a great day.